In this video you will learn how Redis hashes let you store a whole object under one key and what to watch for when reviewing code that uses them. A Redis hash is like a mini dictionary living inside a single key. Instead of creating a separate key for every attribute of a user, you group them all together under one key, like user:1. Internally, Redis stores each field and its value as a pair inside the hash. You can have as many fields as you need, and every individual field lookup runs in constant time, O of 1. HSET can write several fields in a single call. HGET reads one field, HGETALL returns everything, and HLEN tells you how many fields exist. All of these are O of 1, or O of n on the number of fields returned. When reviewing a PR, flag code that scatters object fields across separate top-level keys, or that calls HGETALL on a very large hash in a hot loop. Also catch manual read-then-write sequences where HINCRBY would be atomic. Hashes keep related data together, save memory, and give you O of 1 access per field. The main pitfalls are overfetching with HGETALL and non-atomic update patterns that HINCRBY would solve cleanly.